I recently completed 15 days LMS OJT program and it was very valuable experience. The course was very well structured and covered important topics like networking, Windows administration, Linux, cybersecurity and much more. Each module has explained simple and practical way and making it easier to understand even for a beginner. The recorded sessions were especially helpful as I could watch them at my own pace and revise whenever I needed. The trainers were knowledgeable and explained every concept with real time examples. It felt like a perfect balance between theory and practical exposure. After completing the course, I got selected in Talentica Software Pvt Ltd with a package of 3.8 LPA and I'm very happy with that package and now I can support myself. Thank you.